Hey everybody, so October is Orthodontic Health Month and I am going to show you how you can take an impression on yourself. So first I have my impression stuff right here, perfect. And then I'm going to grab the water, which is, slightly to the left and up. I'll get there. Okay. All right. So now I'm just gonna pour this water into my handy dandy bowl. Yum. And now I'm gonna take our little spatula. Yep. And then I'll just mix it. Yep. Till it's a nice, good consistency. That's perfect. Might be a little dry, but that's okay. That's a-okay. Don't worry about that. Yep. It's okay. So we're just gonna keep mixing. It's perfect. Maybe a little more. It's looking good. Yep. Okay. Now, that's probably good. And then we're going to take our little tray and we're just going to take our spatula and we're going to scoop it into our tray. So, some people may think it's hard to take an impression on yourself. But it's not as hard as it looks. Yep, you can use your hands, you can use your spatula. You just gotta be resourceful. Okay, perfect. Now that we've got it nice and packed down, we're just insert it.